Y'all remember when Justin got me with the Nextorch electronic flashbang? He's in there taking a piss. Payback's a bitch.
Damn it. Holy fucking shit.
Have fun.
Oh my god. I got fucking pee on me.
Payback's a bitch, right? How bad was it?
I think I got pee in my boot.
He thought I was going to wait for him to get done pissing to do that, but I think it works. What do you think? Y'all take care. Come see us and join in on the shenanigans. We do this shit all the time.